What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use two different audio outputs simultaneously on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your Windows settings. From here, under System, navigate to Sound to access your sound settings. Scroll down and under Advanced, select More Sound Settings to open up your sound control panel. In the Recordings tab, right-click the white area under your listed devices to check the Show Disabled Devices option if it's unchecked. As a result, all the available but disconnected audio devices will show up and become available. Right-click your desired audio device and select Properties. In your device's Properties window, navigate to the Listen tab and check the Listen to this device option. In addition, under Playback through this device, open the drop-down menu and choose Speakers. If you want, you can navigate to the Levels tab and either increase or decrease your selected device's bass amplitude levels. In the Advanced tab, you can make adjustments to your selected audio device under the Exclusive Mode and Signal Enhancement sections. With that done, hit Apply and click OK. This will allow you to play audio through two different outputs at the same time on your PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.